So for this tutorial I'm gonna use 3 shades of pink and 7mm crochet hook, which is bigger than the usual one. So I'm gonna start with a dark pink and I'll follow with a light one and followed with a medium one. And I'm gonna show you during the work how to change color without having to cut the previous yarn. So I'm gonna start with a slip knot. And I'm gonna chain 62. So I'm gonna skip 2, and in the next chain I'm gonna make a single crochet. So on the third chain from the hook, 1 single crochet, chain 1, skip 1, 1 single crochet. I will repeat throughout the work. Chain 1, skip 1, single crochet in the next chain. Chain 1, skip 1, single crochet in the next chain throughout this row. Chain 1, skip 1, single crochet in the next chain. And here I'm at the end of this first row, and this is the last stitch. I'm gonna make a single crochet after the chain 1 space. So for row 2 and each row I'm gonna start the same. I'm gonna chain 2 and turn. So I'll be working only in the spaces, the chain 1 spaces, which is these ones, not on the single crochet, just on the chain 1 spaces. So chain 2, 1 single crochet in the previous chain 1 space, chain 1, single crochet in the next chain 1 space, chain 1, and I will continue the same, single crochet in the next chain 1 space, then chain 1 and continue. I'm gonna make 3 rows of the dark pink before I change to the light pink, and I'll show you how to change color. And here I'm at the end of row 2. I chained 1 after the single crochet, and in the very first chain 2 space, I'm gonna make a single crochet. So it's a bit difficult, but we'll get there. Over here, and you make the single crochet. Okay, and again we'll start by chaining 2. And again single crochet in the first, chain 1 space, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet in the next space, chain 1 and continue. At the end of this row we're gonna see how to change color and how to keep the thread without having to cut it, which is optional at the end. So here I'm at the end of row 3, and again single crochet in the last chain 2 space, which was the beginning row. Okay, now I'm gonna put this yarn on the side. I'm gonna bring the new color and join. First I'm gonna hold on tight, and then I'm gonna chain 2, 1 and 2. I will leave the dark one behind, and I will take this loose thread to hide it during my work. So I'm turning my work and I will continue the same. So I chain 2. Now again single crochet in the first chain 1 space, chain 1, single crochet in the next space, chain 1, and we continue the same way. Again 3 rows with the light pink, and then again 3 rows with the medium pink, and I will repeat the same colors, 3 rows each, till the end of the work, which is 120 rows for this shawl. You can make less or you can make more, depending how big you want it. So you see, later on when we come back to the dark pink color, we'll just carry it up and continue working. I'll show you when we advance a bit with the work. So this is the shawl after finishing few rows. This is the color combo, how it looks like. So 3 rows each. We started with the dark pink, then light one, then the medium one. So what I want to show you is how we carry on with the colors. So you'll have this line over here, which is kind of neat, but you have the option later on to make a row of single crochet or a moss stitch as well around it, or you can leave it as it is because it does look neat, and it does look neat. So we'll see later how the entire shawl looks like. So here I'm at my last row of the dark pink, and what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna work the sides. So this I'm gonna cut and leave a long thread so I can single crochet around. I'm gonna start by chaining one, and then in the previous spaces I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna make one single crochet, chain one single crochet in every space till the end of this whole side, and I'm gonna do the same for the opposite side as well. So just to hide these threads, if you don't like them, I'm gonna make a moss stitch hiding these threads like so. So again, single crochet, chain one, skip one space, single crochet in the next space, chain one, skip one space, single crochet in the next space, chain one, skip one space, single crochet in the next space. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this and then show you how it looks like at the end. Single crochet, chain one, skip next space, single crochet, chain one, skip this space, So this is how the shawl looks like at the end. I've done a total of 186 rows between 3 rows of each color, and then this is the border as I have showed you earlier how to do it. Let's see. This is how the border looks like. It gives it a neat look at the end. And this is the entire shawl, very light because I used the bigger crochet hook, and very nice as well. I love how the moss stitch looks like with the 3 colors. You can choose any color of your choice, all the same colors. You'll find the written pattern linked in the description box, and if you have any questions, as usual, do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section. I have used roughly around 4 yarn balls with a 7mm crochet hook. The measurement and gauge and everything else, you'll find it in the written pattern. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.